Hello everyone. Today we would discuss about the royal land distribution question which was in the Code Bash 2.0 Junior Division. So the problem statement states that King Louis, after living a lavish life and serving his kingdom for 60 years, was on his deathbed. So he decided to divide his kingdom into two parts and give it to his two sons. So his kingdom was in rectangular shape with some evenly distributed sections in it. Suppose the rectangular shape of kingdom had n cross m sections and the king wanted to give some k sections to his elder son. So let's understand this through a diagram. Let's take n cross m in this case as 6 cross 2. In this case the 6 is n and m is 2. So let's divide it in sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more section. It is 6. So he wanted to distribute some k section to his elder sons. Suppose he wanted to give k sections, that means in this case he wanted to give 8 sections to his elder son. So he wanted to give this 8 section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This whole 8 section to his elder son, and the rest he needs to give it to the younger son. But the condition was that kingdom needs to be split into two rectangular parts and should be broken along the selected straight line on its pattern. It means that you can only divide it in a rectangular part and you cannot divide it in this pattern or in this pattern. Like, it shouldn't be an irregular pattern, it needs to be a rectangular, and it should be along the straight line only. That means also you cannot cut it like this or like this, something like this. It needs to be particularly in rectangular shape only. So the input format is, first line would be of n, that means the number of sections on the length, and the second line would be of m, that is number of sections on the breadth side, and the third line would be of k, that means the total number of section which he wants to give to his elder son. The constraint in this question is that n should lie between 1 to 500, and similarly m should also lie between 1 to 500 and k should lie between 1 to 10,000. The output format should be in of a string. That means if the pattern is possible, then it would print yes, otherwise it would print no. So let's take this example. Here in this case, n is 4 and m is 2. Let's draw it. It's given that n is 4, that means 4 section on the length and 2 sections along the breadth, and he needs to divide it into 6 sections, that is k is 6 in this case. So he needs to divide this 6 sections and he needs to give it to his elder son. So the output is yes, because it is in rectangular shape only and it is not an irregular shape. Also, the section is being cutted along the straight line only. So yeah, in this explanation it is given that in the given example there are total 8 sections, that is 4 into 2, 8 sections, and the king wanted to give 6 section, that is k section, to his elder son. Among total of 8 sections, the king was able to split the kingdom in two rectangular pieces of land, in which it was first section was of 6 sections and the other was of 2 sections. Here in this diagram you can also see that this can be given to the elder son and the 2 section can be taken up by the younger son. So in this example we can see that there are 5 into 7 sections in all, and the king wanted to give only one section to his elder son. That means you can say that he wanted to give only this section to his elder son and other he wanted to give to his younger son. But if we divide it into one section, then the younger son would not get a rectangular shape. It would be an irregular shape. So this output would be no, because both cannot be a rectangular shape, and the explanation given here, the land could not be split into one section, and that is rest 34 section. That means we can calculate total of section as 5 into 7, that is 35 minus 1. Remaining 34 section for would be given to the younger son, but this 34 section do not form a rectangular shape. Therefore, this division is impossible and the output is no. Now let's jump on the coding part. You need to write the whole code in this main function. And first let's declare three variables n, m and k, where n is the number of sections along the length, m is the number of sections along the breadth, and k is the number of sections which king needs to give to his elder son. Let's take input from the user. So from the previous examples, we understood that if number of sections is divisible by either the number of sections along the length or divisible by either number of sections along the breadth, then we can divide the sections into two rectangular pieces. We need to also check the condition that k should be less than n cross m. That is, k should be less than or equal to the total number of sections which are present in the land. So let's check this through the if case. So the first condition should be that k should be less than or equal to n cross m. And the second condition along with this should be also true, that k shall be divisible by n, that is total number of sections along the length, or it should be divisible by number of sections along the breadth. If both of this condition is true, then we need to output as yes, that we can divide this whole piece of land into two perfectly rectangular shape. And if this condition is false, then we need to give output as false. That means no. It means that this piece of land couldn't be divided in the given k sections. So now let's try to run this code and check if it passes all the condition. Yes, it is passing the given two test cases. Now let's try to submit the code. Yes, it has passed all the 14 test cases. And yes, this was all about the royal land distribution question. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.